Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Nothing Ear 2. So this has been something that I've been waiting for a while, and one of the main reasons for that is because I've actually used the Nothing Ear 1 since the day it came out until I actually finally lost one of the pairs when I was on a trip, and after that I wasn't able to use it, obviously. So I really love their earbuds. I really love what they did. Their app, their software, everything works great. And I really did enjoy using the Nothing Ear 1. So I'm guessing the Nothing Ear 2 is just going to be a lot better than the previous generation. So right away, the price on this is going to be $149.99. So there's a $50 price hike compared to last year. However, if you guys do remember, at the end of the Nothing Ear 2's journey, basically, they did go ahead and bring up the price to $149 as well for the Nothing Ear 1. And so a lot of people did complain about that, but now the release price on the Nothing Ear 2 is $149.99, and I hope they don't bring that up. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. So here we have the packaging. As you can see, it looks very nice and clean. It's a very small package. We do get some information on the back. Nothing Ear 2. And then we can see an image of what the earbuds look like. And again, this is the white version. They haven't brought out the black version yet. Just like last year, I'm guessing they're going to be waiting for a little more. I did pick up the black ones after they came out, so I did have to wait. But this year, I wanted to use and try out the white ones. So opening it up, all we have to do is pull on this red tab here, which let's go ahead and do. All right. And just pull. I wish I didn't have to rip the box. I would have liked to keep the box. I wish they just had some tape, which I could just cut, but this is the way Nothing does it. They did this last year as well, so I guess no issues there. Alright, so that's all the trash you're going to be getting. Putting that to the side, here we have our earbuds. So really easy to take off. I'm going to put that over there, and boom. So we do get some pamphlets in here, so Nothing app. This is to download the Nothing app, which actually is a lot better now. I actually checked it out before this video to actually see what they've done, because I haven't used it ever since I lost the other earbud, and they have actually changed it up a lot, and it does look pretty good. So we do get some user guides and whatnot. We don't really need these, so we can toss this to the side. And here we have our earbuds. So here are the Nothing Ear 2s. Putting that to the side, let's see if we get anything else. We probably are going to be getting our earbud tips, if I could take them out, and our charging cable. And now, let's plop this to the side, take it out of the way, and here are our accessories. So again, these are the ear tips, small and large. Checking them out. I usually stay with medium, so I don't really need to change them up in most cases. But again, if you do need to, they are here, so small and large. Putting that to the side, we probably do get our charging cable, so cable type C, and let's see, it is a coiled, plus it has this plastic around it, so this is probably going to be pretty sturdy. I still do have the previous one. I haven't even used it yet, so I can't really tell you how long this is going to last, but it is a pretty short cable, so you can't really use it much. I didn't use it a lot. Again, it does have wireless charging as well, so wireless charging was the main way I did it. But again, this is a Type-C to Type-C cable if you do really need it. And let's place that to the side as well. And here is the main device, so the Nothing Ear 2. So the case definitely does feel a lot smaller compared to the previous generation, and it does feel a lot sturdier, so it looks really nice. And just for comparison, let's go ahead and bring up the Nothing Ear 1. You can see the box is smaller. Case is smaller. It is around the same thickness, but it does seem like it's using a lot better materials for the build quality. The nothingness of this device, so the clearness of this device, does look a lot better as well. As you can see the casing, you can see it well, and then on the under panel we can see the lower panel right here with the color, but it is out on the outside this time, so it's not being covered up by clear plastic. And I think that's a good thing, because as you can see, my case is pretty scuffed up. I did basically take this everywhere, and so I dropped it, I placed it on the table, I placed it anywhere I wanted, and so it did get pretty scuffed up, and so having this sturdier case is probably going to help out with that. And then you can also probably see the inside a lot better. It has this thicker layer of plastic, so it feels really good, but we still do get that fidget spinner type area, so that's what I used it for. I usually would just fidget with it. Other than that, there really isn't much of a reason for that, and maybe just to take it out of your pocket a little easier, so you can just grab it from here. But again, other than that, there really isn't much else to it. So let's go ahead and place the nothing ear ones to the side. That's enough comparison for now, and check out the ear ones. So the ear ones look really nice. As I said, the case looks really nice. And then opening it up, we have our ear ones right here. So before we do check these out, I do want to really quickly go ahead and pair it. So for the pairing process, all you have to do is open up the Nothing X app. So that was the Ear One app previously. Now it's called the Nothing X app. And right here, I do have my ear ones connected. What you got to do is just click the three buttons, pair new device. And then once you click that, all you got to do is hold on the button until you do get the white light. And here we have our ear tubes. So set up this device. Let's go ahead and get it connected to my account. It should be pretty fast and easy. Go ahead and click pair. And voila. So that's it. As you saw, it is connected now. We do get some information. So meet ear 2. I'll go and save that. I'm going to set it up. So single pinch is going to be play and pause. So we are pinching now. I believe it was tap before, or was it pinching? I don't really remember. It's been a long time. We do have our play, pause, answer, hang up calls. And then double pinch is going to be skip forward. Triple pinch, skip back, and pinch and hold is probably going to be noise control, which is exactly that. So let's go and click that's all. The software looks really nice. We can see our ear 2s right here. We can see the left, right, and the case. So that's going to be the battery percentage right there. We have our equalizer, so personal sound profile. All right, we have our equalizer. We can get more bass, more treble, voice, and balance, or you can just change it by yourself, I believe, if you do click here. So personal sound profile. I'm just going to do that later, so we'll keep it on balanced. If we do go back, we have our controls again. It does show you the controls, what they do, and then double pinch and hold. So we do have a new control, which was not on the Nothing Ear ones, I believe. This is something new, and you can actually add something to it. So you could add your voice assistant, volume up, volume down, and then I believe for volume up and volume down, we still do get the sliding feature, which was something that I really did love. And so I hope the Nothing Ear 2s have that as well, which they probably do. On the bottom, we do have our noise control, so transparency, noise cancellation. We can do high, mid, a lot more settings now. So we only had high and low on the previous gen. We have high, mid, low, and adaptive. So I'll just keep it on adaptive, and then you can also get it personalized as well. So those are the main settings right here that you're going to be accessing most of the times. But if we do go to our settings, we have our low lag mode, personalized active noise canceling, high quality audio, and then we do get a personal sound profile. We have our earbud tip fit test. So if you do place your earbuds inside and you do the test to play some sounds, and it just checks it just to see how well the fit is. So to access most of the features, we have to firmware update it. So let's go and click our update. And while this is updating, we'll go ahead and check out the earbuds a little bit more. So I wanted to actually check the earbuds out. We did see the case, but the earbuds do look really nice. So last year I did actually do a giveaway with these. I gave away the white ones and I kept the black ones, and this year I am keeping the white ones. So the black ones haven't released yet, but the earbuds do look really nice. As you can see, we still have the accent colors, so the red and the white for right and left, and we also do have those colors on the inside of the case so you can indicate where they are going to be placed. The tip looks really nice. It feels really nice, the silicone on this, so it'll probably be a nice comfortable fit. It was the case with the ear one for me, and so I believe that it will be the same case with this. We can see the Nothing Ear 2 right there, so if I do bring it closer, I hope you can see that. It does say Nothing Ear 2. We have our microphone right there, and then I believe we also do have a microphone right here. So we do have 2 microphones, maybe 3. I haven't really read the spec sheet too much on this, but as far as I know, 10 minutes of USB-C charging will get you around 8 hours of music playback, which is really nice. So pretty fast charging speeds. So overall, pretty decent earbuds. They do look really nice. They feel really nice in the hand, and they are a lot sturdier this year, in my opinion. They do feel a lot sturdier as well. And if we do go ahead and compare this real quick, so I have the Nothing Ear 1 and the Nothing Ear 2, we can see that the stem is around the same size on both of these devices. So size-wise, they are around the same size. They haven't really changed much. They do just have some upgrades with the earbuds, which is to be expected. So you are going to be getting the better sound quality, and also we do get Nothing Ear 1 here and Nothing Ear 2 printed onto the casing right there. So overall, pretty simple design with both of them. They do look really nice. I really love what Nothing has done. It's something new that nobody else has done, and so using their products is something that I am enjoying so far. I haven't tested out their phone yet, but with the earbuds, it's been great for me. So again, that'll basically wrap it up for this video. It's very simple, setup is very simple, earbuds are very simple and nice to use. They sound really good, from the previous gen at least. That's what I've tested. I haven't tested these out yet. I am going to be pretty shocked probably with these ones. I've heard some good comments about it, but again, that is going to be it for this video. So as always, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe as it helps support the channel, and see y'all in the next one.